Hello students, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Are you looking for the concept on loss of pre-stress due to friction? Here is the concept. See students, the loss of pre-stress due to friction is specific to post members because the friction loss between the tendon and the duct over the entire length is considered, which is known as length effect or wobble effect. Here is the formula for loss of pre-stress, which is given as delta P, loss of pre-stress, is equal to initial stress into mu alpha plus K into X bar, where mu is the coefficient of friction, alpha is the cumulative angle in radians, K is the wobbling constant, and X bar is the length of the span. Now here we have a beautiful problem. The question here is, it was a post-tension member, so definitely there will be a loss of pre-stress due to friction. And all the values of the section, coefficient of friction, wobbling constant, everything is given in the problem. But he has asked in the problem, what is the percentage of loss of pre-stress due to friction? Now here, when I talk about the percentage loss of pre-stress due to friction, we have formula delta P by P naught into 100. On simplification, we got mu alpha plus Kx into 100. Here it is a parabolic profile. So alpha cumulative angle is given by the formula 8h by L, where h indicates the eccentricity, which is 50 mm. On solving this, we got 0.04. Now we know the values of mu, alpha, K and X. By plugging these values into the formula, we got the percentage loss as 2.7. I hope this solution is clear for you. Thank you.